Sherry, remember this? I went and got it from Jason Jenny's garage. I bought it, 2 years ago? Maybe? Paid $250 for it. Let's see what I bought. 30,000 BTUs, heats up to 1,000 square feet, vent free, propane or natural gas, thermostat control, oxygen depletion sensor, which is good. Don't want that flame to use up all the oxygen in the house. That wouldn't be good. No electricity required. Today, everyone has a false sense of security because 55 degrees, sunny, beautiful, no wind. You don't need a coat. I mean, it's beautiful outside. But 24 hours from now, all hell's going to break loose. Temperature is going to be 1 degree tomorrow night with wind and wind chill factor being about minus 25. That's going to be tomorrow night. And Friday night, another 1 degree temperature. The high Friday is going to be like 7. So I'm going to be without water for about 4 days. I'm going to bring all those jugs in, Sherry, that you got under the house. And fill up the tub, sinks, and we'll be good to go there. And for my heat, I got an ace in the hole now. Just look at this baby. Now this is a temporary setup. It didn't come with optional legs to mount it to the floor, so I had to wall mount it. And I had to put the mount into a stud, which means I had to bring it over to catch a stud and clear the outlet over here. So I moved this beast out of the way. Oh, and by the way, I had a Patterson fit over this thing for a whole day. So, the shit that was in it filled up half its den. So I went and scrounged some lumber over at Ailes and Jason Jenny's. I rebuilt this thing, put 10 boards of support in it, bottom, sides, back. Put shelves in it, or a shelf. Just look at that. Man, that's all nice and organized. You can open it up, just put your hands on what you're looking for. I also put a 3/4 plywood top on this thing. I just got to put the pieces here and here. I bought some mastic. So come spring, Sherry, whatever top you want on this thing, we can tile it. If you want these or the black, granite, I don't care. All right, so I got this thing mounted. I went and spent $30 filling 2 of these up. I had our extra one. I went to get the extra one over at Jason Jenny's. I had to buy a regulator. Same thing goes on a barbecue grill. Went to there, then I bought an extension to go over to here. I got the gas on. I got the pilot light lit. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's got a nice electric starter. It's got a thermostat. And believe it or not, when whatever you got it set to, the heat gets up to it, it'll shut the gas off. And when it needs to come on, it turns the gas back on. See what happens. I'm going to turn it to low, I think. There we go. This is the Blue Flame Dyna-Glo. And let me tell you something. This thing is a beast. The amount of heat coming out of this thing right here is incredible. This is the only place I could put it. It's really the best place. I think what we should do is leave it here. But off season, it's very easy. You got a handle right here. You just lift it up. It comes right off the mounting plate. Store it away for the season. Move this back where you want it. Again, this is the Blue Flame Dyna-Glo. Now, in doing my research, half the people said this is the best thing to use. The other half said, no, get the propane, but get the infrared. For infrared, there's no flame. It heats up some elements, and anyway, it doesn't produce an actual open flame. There's pros and cons to each, but I think what I want to do is, I mean, the heat is incredible coming off this thing. Jeez. I'd like to get an infrared, same 30,000 BTU or maybe a 20, and retrofit it into the fireplace and leave it over there. Have a professional come out and run the lines under the house. And even though I got all these bottles, I got those 3 in the back. See, these are 5 gallons or 20 pounds. The ones I got in the back, I got one of them full. It's 10 gallons, 40 pounds. But I have a 100-pound one in Olive Branch. And I've been on Marketplace, and you can buy these used all over the place. Anyway, I want to get a couple of used 100-gallon propane tanks and have it professionally installed. That way, if we ever lose power, we got plenty of heat. Now I have this thing set for fairly low. What'll happen, I think I have, in the daytime I set the thermostat to 69, and it feels warmer than that in here, but when it gets to 69, I'm talking whatever that temperature is. It'll cut off the gas. The pilot light still be lit, but the gas won't. There won't be any gas going to it. Anyway, I'm charging the battery to the generator. We got it out. Got some oil for it. We're gonna fire it up here later today or tomorrow. Put it on the back porch. Run an extension cord in case we lose power. So we'll have water, heat, and electricity no matter what happens. So we put antifreeze in all the vehicles. I'm going back and crank the boat engine for about 5 seconds to blow all the water out of the water pump in the engine. And that's about all I can do. Can't think of anything else I can do to prepare. All right. We'll finish straightening it up around here. And go work on the generator.